Hello, this is Lisa. Just want to show everyone real quick how they can check their microphone settings in both Google Chrome and in Collaborate to make sure that your mic is working. This is sometimes an issue for some faculty, so we want to make sure that the mics are working before we get started. So we can enter here into your session, so just join your course room. Once you are in Blackboard Collaborate, there are two things that you're going to want to do. The first is you want to check Google Chrome itself to make sure that you're allowed to share the microphone. So if you follow my mouse up to the address bar, right, so this is the address bar right here, you want to click on the little lock icon for the site information. This will be permissions that you will give specific to Blackboard. So select the little lock. Come down, you want to make sure that allow is selected for your camera if you're going to be using video such as your webcam, and you want to be able to allow your students to see you while you're teaching. You also want to set your microphone to allow. So drop down menu here, it's usually defaulted to block or ask. You want to make sure that it's allow. Now, if you are going to be using some web pages or anything like that you're going to be sharing, you may want to allow for Flash Player to work as well. And this helps with things like chat and recording. So make sure all of your settings are set here to allow, and then X out, and those are all set. If you want to reload you would have to reload your page at that point to make sure that those settings are permanent. Now, down here at the bottom right is the second thing that we want to check, and that's, of course, open the Collaborate panel. In the Collaborate panel, you want to check the My Settings, and there's a little gear icon right here. Select that gear icon. Move up here, and it says to set up your camera and microphone. Just click on this tool right here and follow the directions. It's going to ask you to test your audio. It'll give you this sound bar here. You can see that it's recording my sound, and this tells you that your sound is working. This here is where you can select what microphone you may have. I use the default. That's usually the microphone, in this case my headset, that is working. So select whatever microphone it is that you are using. If it's still not working and you don't see the sound, you can click No, I need help, and Collaborate will walk you through a few extra steps. If it's working, you just say yes, that's fine. It's then going to test your video. Hello, everyone. And you can do the same thing. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Or select whatever camera it is. I only have one. So it's going to, by default, select that camera. So I just say yes, that's working. Now I know that everything is working. Now this does not mean that your camera and your audio are going to be working or going to be turned on when you enter into the room. So when you're ready to come into the room and teach, you still have to unmute your microphone. But this now just is just this mute and unmute allows you to more easily control your microphone. So that is how you check and make sure that your microphone and your video settings are available in Blackboard Collaborate. Have a good one.